What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Bitcoin dumped while I was sleeping. Woke up to a surprise added to all my HODL positions. We're continuing to follow our bearish wave count. I looked at the news and they were talking about Silvergate, but the news doesn't really matter. The charts were telling us that we were bearish. So always trust the charts as they're the leading indicator. All right, gang, so we're sitting at 22.4K, down about 4% on the day. Same market cap about 433 billion. 24-hour volume, 25.84 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget or Bybit, this is where I do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Check out my full-length tutorials in the description. Takes 2 minutes to sign up. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. So let's hop into BTC. So as you can see, I dropped in this pullback zone in the Discord. I said, look guys, I think this is a wave 2. Look for a rejection. Wave 1, wave 2, and then boom, broke down. Potentially putting in a 3, 4, 5. Now we may come down in a lower low, as you can see, to complete that smaller wave count, but we have pushed up into the wave 4 pullback zone in between 22.3 and 22.7K. So then you could come down in a wave 5. So if we were to break down from here, go from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3, if this were to be the top of wave 4, then your wave 5 target would be the 618 at 21.4K. Many analysts, many Elliott wave analysts were saying we were going to bounce from here. We're going to break 25K. I don't know why, because the charts were still screaming bearish. The Dow Jones, the DXY, and we broke down. So always remember to be careful. A lot of analysts tend to be perma bulls, especially on YouTube. Even when the charts are saying bearish, they'll focus on the bullish scenario. Just try to listen to analysts that are more level-headed and don't usually have a bearish or bullish bias. Wow, we're starting to break down here now. So what you may be actually looking at is we've come down. Basically, that's a 1, 2. That's a 3, 4, 5, and what you're going to do is you can complete the wave 3, push up in a 4, and come down in a wave 5. We'll see how that plays out. But we are continuing to the downside, which is what we've been calling for here on the channel. The bulls, what they're going to say, I told you guys that this bullish wave count, I felt was improbable and unlikely. So what the bulls will now say, and anything is possible, but this is the completion of the wave 1, and what they'll look at is you've A, B, C, you're coming down in a 2, and you're still going to push up and break 25K. I don't think it's likely, and they're waiting for that low to be broken. Once 21.5K is broken, it completely invalidates that, and then you'll see them start to focus on the bearish wave count. We've been short on Bitcoin since 24.5K. I did not feel like it was going to create a higher high, and so far that's what's playing out. Recently locked in more of the profits on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both signals were given in the Discord for only 10 USD per month, making some juicy gains. Able to snipe the tops on those trades. So the DXY, even though Bitcoin dumped here, the DXY didn't pump. We are still creating that double top, and right now the DXY is dropping. Well, Bitcoin is seemingly dropping as well. So if the DXY does create a double top and break down, you could start to see a bounce for BTC. However, if we simply bounce from here and push up to 106, what you could be looking at is a wave 1 up. You're pulling back in a wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 106, which would obviously be negative for BTC. The Dow Jones has bounced from this support. I said if we do bounce, look for a retest of the daily EMAs. We've just had the bearish cross. So you push up, you retest, you get rejected, and then you start to break down. That's what I think is likely for the Dow. Best case scenario, top of the descending triangle, get rejected, break down. But I do think there's a strong likelihood that if we push into these daily EMAs with the bearish cross 20 over the 55, that will get rejected and break down, and that will be quite negative for the markets. People don't like when I say things like that will be quite negative, or when I focus on the bearish scenario, but I'm a non-biased analyst. I just look at what the chart is telling me and give you my opinion I don't care who likes it and who doesn't like it. I do my best to be impartial. All right, gang. So that's it for this one. Sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as trade signals. As you can see, we locked in some more gains on the Bitcoin short position as well as my Ethereum short position. Made some juicy profits on those trades so far. That's $10 a month. Crypto news, member profits. They like to post their gains in here. Mahado alt plays, same price as a Netflix subscription. Big Mac with some fries and a drink, which you should not be eating or drinking. So check it out. Patreon link down below. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.